have discussed almost about acids, bases, indicators, no, and using different indicators. Acha, what you can say about coffee? Coffee powder को take it on your tongue
सर
and
बहुत
try to
कड़वा
taste
है।
it. कड़वा होता है, bitter होता है. So is it acidic or basic?
बेसिक बेसिक
because it's
But
so.
but check it with indicators. You will find opposite result. उल्टा मिलेगा.
Sir, is it
Coffee is
soapy?
acidic,
Not soapy to touch.
right? है ना बेटा? टच एंड टेस्ट से पता नहीं चलेगा, इंडिकेटर से चेक करना. चेक विथ इंडिकेटर, चाइना रोज इंडिकेटर, और this will not help you turmeric indicator because it will remain yellow in acid. So use China rose indicator, and then we'll come to our school. Then we'll again testing it with methyl orange as well as phenolphthalein. Right? Phenolphthalein में again it is colorless. So methyl orange will help you. Okay, so today we'll start our class by chanting Omkaram 3 times. So all of you kindly join your hands and chant Omkaram 3 times. Sai Ram. Okay, beta. So as I told you, let us learn little more about salt, and then we'll study. We'll do a quick revision using data class age. All PPTs available to us, right? So first of all, I'll show my PPT, and can you see Raghav? Raghav, date? Can you see today's
Yes, sir.
date? Can you beta?
Yes.
Yes. So salt, as we know, a salt is a neutral substance formed by the neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. When an acid and a base neutralize each other, then a salt is formed. You have noted down earlier, acid plus base, what it gives? Salt plus water.
न्यूट्रल
Neutral.
Neutral.
What are the products? What are the products of neutralization reaction? What are the products of neutralization reaction? Tell me. देखो बेटा, whenever a reaction takes place, हाँ, what do we write down? Neutralization कैसे लिखते हैं हम लोग? Acid plus base, है ना बेटा? And arrow salt plus water. Can you see this?
यस सर यस
So see, याद
Yes,
याद
sir.
रखो बेटा. Before arrow, these are called reactants. क्या बोलते हैं इनको?
रिएक्टेंट
Reactants.
रिएक्टेंट
Reactant. देखो लिखो स्पेलिंग. REACAN CAT reactants. Reactants इनको बोलते हैं. The substances which react together are called reactants, and the new substances formed, these are called product. What do we call it?
प्रोडक्ट
Product.
Product.
So I ask you, what are the products of neutralization reaction? The answer will be
सॉल्ट एंड वाटर
salt and water.
सॉल्ट एंड वाटर
And what are the reactants of neutralization reaction?
एसिड एंड बेस एसिड एंड बेस
Acid and base.
Acid.
Yes, acid and base. Very good, beta.
Then
Okay. Yeah. Now see, a salt may be acidic, basic, or neutral in nature, depending upon the neutralization reaction. This will decide whether the salt formed will be acidic, basic, or neutral. Now see, when a strong acid neutralizes a weak base, then the salt formed is acidic salt. Okay, beta. As for example, ammonium chloride, it is an acidic salt. Okay. How do we form ammonium chloride? A weak base is required. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड विंडो क्लीनर में जो होता है हमारा, वो अमोनिया डिजॉल्व होता है वाटर में. व्हेन अमोनिया गैस, देखो एक गैस होती है अमोनिया गैस. आप लोग एनएफएल का नाम सुने हो?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
एनएफएल का नाम
sir.
सुना है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एनएफएल में प्लांट है फर्टिलाइजर का, मालूम है ना आपको?
यस सर।
तो वहां पर फर्टिलाइजर बनाने के लिए वहां पर अमोनिया का प्लांट है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अमोनिया गैस इज प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड व्हेन अमोनिया गैस इज डिजॉल्व्ड इन वाटर वी गेट अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NH4OH. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड वी गेट, है ना बेटा? इस तरह से बनता है. It is a weak base and reacts with hydrochloric acid. It's a strong acid. We have discussed. Now the salt formed is ammonium chloride,
Ammonium
NH4Cl and water. So this salt is acidic salt. Next, when a strong base is neutralized by a weak acid, then the salt formed is basic salt. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt. You can find Na2CO3. When we take strong base, sodium hydroxide is strong base, and carbonic acid H2CO3. This acid name is not written. You can write down. It is carbonic acid. Carbonic CAR. कार लिख लो पहले. BONIC. कार्बोनिक एसिड है ये. Carbonic acid. When these two react together, which salt is formed? Sodium carbonate. It is called hydrogen carbonate. So sodium carbonate is the salt and water is formed. So sodium carbonate is a basic salt. And next, the salt produced when a strong acid and a strong base react together. Yes? Tairam? You join again, beta. Leave and join again. Others can listen me, beta.
Yes, sir.
Beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Correct, beta. Those who are not able to listen me, please leave and join again.
आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
आप लीव करो, फिर से ज्वाइन करो. The salt produced as a result of reaction between strong acid and strong base are called neutral salt, बेटा, है ना? तब उस केस में बनेगा आपको न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट बनेगा, है ना? You will find a neutral salt is there. Just see neutral salt. For example, sodium chloride is neutral salt हमारा है, जो हम खाते हैं daily, right? It is formed by the reaction between hydrochloric acid, its strong acid, and sodium hydroxide, its strong base, and salt formed is sodium chloride NaCl plus water. Okay, beta? Right? So now let us revise little bit using our Tata classes. Okay. Just see what are acids and bases. About that, one small video is there. है ना बेटा? See to it. Acids, bases, and salt. Yeah. Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, beta. Now I'm starting it. Now see, listen it.
Acids, bases, and salts.
Is it audible?
No, sir. Please make it
Acids, bases.
full volume.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, okay. Okay, okay. I
and
have,
change blue litmus paper
it
to
is
red.
100 of it, 100. Now I cannot increase much. See,
Bases feel slippery to touch.
ये देखो फिसलेगा. साबुन से हाथ धोते हैं ना, फिसलता है ना, बेस होता है उसमें.
Yes,
And
sir.
change litmus paper to blue.
Yes, बेटा. Enjoy the video.
According to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, an acid is a proton donor in the form of hydrogen ion, whereas a base is a proton acceptor in the form of a hydrogen ion.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Water
Yeah, मैं नहीं
to
बोल रहा हूँ
form
बेटा. I'm not
hydroxonium
speaking.
ions and chloride ions. In this reaction, hydrochloric acid acts as an acid as it donates a proton to water. Water acts as a base and accepts the proton. According to Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance that generates hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. For example, gaseous hydrogen chloride, when dissolved in water, will dissociate into both hydrogen and chloride ions. This theory also states that bases generate hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. If we were to dissolve pellets of solid sodium hydroxide in water, sodium ions and hydroxide ions will be produced.
And NaOH.
When an acid reacts with a base, they will neutralize each other, forming water and a salt. If hydrochloric acid is mixed with a sodium hydroxide solution, the hydrogen ions and the hydroxide ions will react to form both water and sodium chloride salt.
ठीक है बेटा. Mechanism. How is water formed and how is salt formed when an acid and a base react together? Actually, there is an exchange of ions. Ions are exchanged. Just now you have seen. Okay, beta. Can you hear it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
The anion comes from the
ये देखो
acid,
sodium ion and chloride
and the
ion.
cation comes from the base.
They will form sodium chloride salt.
The reverse of a neutralization reaction is hydrolysis. During a hydrolysis reaction, a salt will react with water to yield an acid or a base. Sodium bicarbonate will dissociate into carbonic acid and hydroxide ions. The resulting OH minus ions will cause a weak basic solution. Summary. According to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, and
Okay, we have seen this. Let us little bit go ahead. My class. Now, one minute. See indicators about indicators. है ना? Indicators, natural indicators. Okay. Types of indicators. Different types of indicators.
China rose.
Yeah. Just learn through this. है ना बेटा? Smart class presentations. Okay, smart class presentations says, है ना? And if you have any question, note down. Ask me when I close the presentation.
Just as we have indicators for traffic that tell us when to stop and when to move ahead, we have indicators for substances that tell us if the substance is acidic, basic, or neutral. Sometimes it's quite easy to identify whether a solution is acidic or basic. For instance, try categorizing these substances on the basis of taste. Acidic substances taste sour, while basic substances cause a bitter taste. Based on that, we can say that lemon juice and orange juice are acidic, while coffee and quinine water are basic in nature.
Toothpaste. Is it acidic or basic in nature?
But what about substances that you can't taste or even touch? You can use indicators to find out the nature of such substances. Indicators are weak organic substances that dissociate slightly in solutions, producing ions. The pH of the solution determines the color of the ions produced. pH is the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution.
This is pH beta, है ना?
Acids have high concentration of H plus ions and bases have high concentration of OH minus ions. The chart shows some examples of how indicators change color based on the pH of a solution, helping us identify the nature of that solution.
So you can see here, methyl orange,
Indicators can be of 4 types.
types of indicators, 4.
Click an indicator to learn more.
They are natural indicator, synthetic, olfactory, and universal. Let us learn about all these one by one. Natural indicator.
Let's check your understanding of how indicators work through a small exercise. Click on any of the 4 samples to test it and determine its nature.
Turmeric solution. Sample 1. Added to you can see different colors are developed. है ना बेटा? ये देखो.
Select an option from the menu to indicate whether the sample is acidic, basic, or neutral. Click Submit once done.
So what can you say? Tell me, Subra. This turmeric was added, है ना, in these 3 solutions. So in turmeric, no change. Sample 1 was added, right? No change. Turmeric, methyl orange red, universal light green. So what is the nature of the sample? Acidic or basic?
Basic.
Acidic na beta. Methyl orange turn red in acidic solution. Yellow होगा basic में वो, है ना? Good job. This sample is acidic. Now let us do for another sample. Sample number 2.
Good job. This sample is acidic.
Now let's do for the sample number 2. Okay. Sample number 2. In sample number 2, turmeric is added, methyl orange is added, and this one universal indicator that will give you the pH. pH value मिलेगा. Less than 7 होगा तो acidic, more than 7 then basic, and 7 होगा तो neutral. And now see the color change written there. Turmeric no change, methyl orange no change, universal dark green. So what is the nature of the solution?
To indicate whether the sample is acidic, basic, or
And
neutral.
you can see here.
Click Submit once done.
See this paper, you can see their color is indicated. What is the value? 7. है ना बेटा? Subra, can you read this value?
7.
Subra,
Sir, neutral है.
7. हाँ. या न्यूट्रल लगाओ? या न्यूट्रल लगाते हैं. सबमिट करें. So what is the answer? Excellent. This sample is neutral. एक्सटेंड कर दें, चलो है ना बेटा। लेट अस गो फॉर सैंपल नंबर 3 को भी चेक करें। इस सैंपल नंबर 3 रखा हुआ है एंड
Excellent. This sample is neutral.
ओके, लेट अस गो फॉर सैंपल नंबर 3।
Sir,
सैंपल
I
नंबर
can't
3
see your presentation, sir.
methyl orange added in the second one, and third one universal indicator, इसको pH solution बोलते हैं। Now stir well. Remember, use different glass rod for stirring. Now color change you can see. Turmeric became red, methyl orange yellow, universal indicator purple, and number is
Select an
13.
option from the
Okay.
menu to indicate whether the sample is acidic, basic, or neutral. Click Submit once done.
So Janul, what is the answer? Janul,
Sir, Adib.
Yes, sir.
Adi, yes, बोलो Janul, आंसर
Sir,
क्या होगा?
basic.
बेसिक। बेसिक में लगा दिया मैंने। यस, गुड जॉब,
Good job. This sample is basic.
वेरी गुड। इट मींस वी हैव अंडरस्टूड वेरी वेल indicators, acid, bases and salts. One more sample there. Shall we do or leave it? Adib, one more
Sir, we
sample is
will
there.
do.
Will do. Okay. Sample number 4. Now see. Added turmeric solution. Added methyl orange indicators. Next one. And in the last one added universal pH indicator solution. है ना? इससे हम सॉइल की टेस्ट करते हैं बेटा, सॉइल का एसिड बेस न्यूट्रल। या नाउ कलर चेंज, टर्मरिक नो, मिथाइल ऑरेंज रेड, यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर टर्न डार्क रेड। सो what
Select
is
an
the
option from the menu
nature of
to
the
indicate whether the sample
solution?
is acidic, basic,
Sir,
or
acidic.
neutral.
Acidic.
Click Submit.
Acidic.
once done.
एसिडिक। ओके ओके, एसिडिक में लगा दें। एसिडिक, यू आर सेइंग एसिडिक। यस, एक्सीलेंट।
Excellent. This sample is acidic.
एसिडिक। ओके माय डियर, गुड है ना बेटा। लेट अस गो अहेड।
Let's summarize what we've learned so far.
Okay, my dear. So let me come to my class. Yeah. So now can we have come beta. Yes. Acids and bases we have seen. Let us see the concept maps of this chapter. Concept maps. See the concept maps beta, है ना? है ना? When we'll reopen the school, I'll explain with using this one. Say the concept map. Concept map. Yeah. Concept map. Let us see the concept map. The whole chapter will understand through the concept map. Actually, we should try to make such concepts of every chapter on a single page. You will be able to recall everything from that chapter. है ना? Using arrows, we make this concept map. Let it open. This is a very useful tool for remembering the facts and quick revision technique. Come on, beta, get open quickly. Sometimes it gives trouble. Yes. See the concept map beta. We are having chapter का name पहले हो गया acids, bases and salt. You can also draw simultaneously. Write down this one. And now see. What are there? Acids, bases, neutral solutions, indicators, neutralization reaction. And from acid, find out 3 arrows, origin of the word, है ना? Substances containing acid, acidic rain we learned, नोट डाउन, अदरवाइज गायब हो जाएगा फिर. नोटेड शुभ्रा?
I will taking screenshot.
हाँ, yeah. Now bases, substances with bitter taste, feels soapy बेटा, sloppy नहीं, soapy, SOAPY. स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लेना. On touching, example baking soda. Or noodle solutions, neither acidic nor basic, pure water, distilled water. Indicators, substances for testing acidic basic nature, indicated by change in color, natural indicators, artificial indicators. And neutral reactions, reaction between an acid and a base. Products are salt and water. Heat is released. Example in life. See one product can be acidic, basic or neutral. And here example, you can see one example. Then hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide solution. It forms sodium chloride salt and water. And examples in everyday life, in indigestion we use antacid, which one? Magnesium hydroxide, antibite. Then we rub moist baking soda or calamine solution. Soil treatment, if the soil is acidic, add lime or slag lime. If the soil is basic, add what? Like peels of vegetable, organic matter. And factory waste, they are neutralized before releasing into water bodies. So in this way, the whole concept you can write down. For every chapter you can do this beta, and you can remember each and everything on your fingertips. तुरंत रिवीजन हो जाएगा आपका, है ना? You can write little more also. So on one sheet of paper, or you can join two sheet of paper and draw this map. This is called concept map. Okay,
Mind map.
It's a good way. Mind mapping way also you can say. Yeah. Good.
Sir, I have a
So,
software
now-
for it.
Yes, beta. So now let us come to discussing the questions of the chapter and exercise. All of you, just see your book. This is your book, है ना? This I have taken from your book. Screenshot. Exercises. Question number 1. State differences between acid and bases. Okay. So
Sir, Adib.
you can read this also, beta. Can you read this one also?
Yes, sir.
So you can find the answer. है ना? You have to make right and whenever differentiate is there, make tabular form. Acids, bases. You all know. Acids turn blue litmus red. Bases turn red litmus blue. Acids in sour in taste. Bases bitter in taste. Acids give a dark pink color with China rose indicator. Bases give a dark green color with China rose indicator. And you can write down more points. Okay, beta? We should write down double points. If the question is 1 mark, give 2 points. 2 marks, give 4 points. 3 marks, give 6 points. If possible, then.
Sir,
Otherwise,
can we write
equal number
examples
of
of
points.
these?
You can write example of acid, base. Another point हो जाएगा. Very good. See, question number 2 क्या था हमारा? Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner, litmus blue. What is the nature of ammonia?
Base. Sir,
Basic in nature.
Basic.
Okay, beta. So likewise, see the questions. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. Adir,
Lichen.
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 Sir, lichens.
Very good. What is the use of the solution?
Lichen.
What is the use of this solution?
Indicator.
What
It is
is the
indicator.
use of this
In
solution?
case indicator, we use it.
Indicator to test against substance acidic, basic or
Red litmus into blue, blue litmus into red.
test from change use to distinguish between bases and acids. language you beta, है ना? That's why I do not want to give you written answer. I want to discuss the answer only, है ना? You should write in your own way, words. That is the best answer of the world, है ना? When you write the answer in your own way, own words, it's the best answer. Beta? Next question is the distilled water acidic, basic, or neutral? How would you verify it?
Neutral.
Neutral.
Sir, neutral.
Then second part,
Neutral.
how would you verify it?
Sir, your screen is not
How would
visible.
you verify it? It's not visible. How do you-
Sir, he may have pinned you up.
by using indicator, and we can verify it by using indicator. If we put blue litmus paper in distilled water, it remains blue. If you put red litmus paper, it remains red. So it indicates that it is neutral in nature. You may test it on other indicators also better. And okay, let's
चैट
describe
बॉक्स
the
में सर
process
वो
of
चिराग सर गाली लिख
neutralization.
रहे हैं सर।
सर बहुत देर से रेणुका और
Yes,
चिराग
boss.
फाइट भी कर रहे हैं चैटिंग में।
Yes, sir.
No, beta, stop it. You know everything recorded. Then I record
सर वो बोल रहे हैं हो जाएगी तो जाएगी।
meeting. Listen, a transcript is generated, and then we'll read the transcript. Everything will be clear.
सर परेशान कर रहा है।
Later on, do not be problem for you all, बेटा। ट्रांसक्रिप्ट में मुझे सब दिख जाएगा क्या क्या चैट बॉक्स में हुआ, क्या क्या लोग बात करना, आपकी सारी वॉइस वर्ड लिख के आती है वहां से। आप ओम करते हो ओम 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 लिखा हुआ है वहां से। तो बी केयरफुल, बाद में टीचिंग मुझे मत करना, कुछ प्रूफ होगा हमारे पास, आपका नाम लिखा रहेगा वहां पर। Stop all these things. Try to participate in the teaching learning process. Okay, beta? So now you go through the questions, beta. Book, see your book. Let me come back.
Sir, now it is visible.
हाँ बेटा, everything will be visible. So now I am going to stop the presentation. You read the questions, right? Read all the questions, all of you. Read your question from the book. Now you can read chat box also. And right now give you left and right good words if you want. Then I have no problem in that. Basically, beta, I believe in
टोमेटो जूस है
all
एसिडिक और टोमेटो
डिसिप्लिन इसको बोलते हैं।
टोमेटो बेसिक और एसिडिक।
which question बेटा?
टोमेटो जूस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक।
टोमेटो जूस एसिडिक, इट कंटेन्स एसिडिक टेस्ट बेटा। ओके, मिलेगा उसमें। चेक करना घर में, आएगा इंडिकेटर।
यस सर, दोनों बना लिए, पेपर भी बना लिया और
फाइनल और पेपर
डाल डाल के चेक करो, डिफरेंट सॉल्यूशन बनाओ और चेक करो। इससे देखो ये वाला कलर चेंज होगा, रेड हो जाएगा, जिसको मैजेंटा बोलते हैं एसिड, ग्रीन कलर का हो जाएगा बेस। ये सबसे आसान है। हॉट वाटर लो, पेटल्स ऑफ हिबिस्कस फ्लावर, चाइना रोज, ऐड दोज, allow it to remain there for 5 minutes, stir well, allow it to stand, cool down, your solution will be ready. This one, and you can show it in any container. Okay, this is readily available indicator. Then your turmeric paper, from that, अच्छा toothpaste जो हम करते हैं,
तो चैट बॉक्स में कुछ भी लिख रहा है सर।
सर चिराग सर एक बार ये लोग चैट बॉक्स
सर
एक बार वीडियो ओपन करके देखिए।
7 8 बजे। फ्री फायर
सर
लेफ्ट हो
सर
गए।
एक बार चैट बॉक्स ओपन करके देखिए।
अरे सर लेफ्ट हो गए। फ्री फायर रात 8 बजे कौन खेलेगा? और राघव तिवारी, मेरी आईडी बताऊं क्या? मेरी आईडी है हर्ष123 TGU, सर्च कर लेना फ्री फायर। रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है वो।
पबजी लाइट की आईडी भेज दे यार हर्षा चुपचाप।
हाँ हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग हो
पबजी
रही।
लाइट की
आईडी भेज देना व्हाट्सएप पे, ठीक है? सर ने मीटिंग लीव कर दी, अब नहीं आ रहा है क्या सर?
आएंगे। ओए आईडी भेज देना मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे।
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है भाई, ये रिकॉर्ड।
चिराग
अरे
कितनी गंदी गंदी गाली लिख रहा।
वेट करने का कोई फायदा नहीं, क्योंकि टाइम भी हो गया ना शुभ्रा, टाइम हो चुका है। 2 मिनट तो बचे ही है बस, शांति पाठ होगा उसके बाद।
4 मिनट।
तो 2 मिनट का शांति पाठ होता है। 3 मिनट।
हाँ 3 मिनट।
साईराम सर।
राम सर।
Sairam beta, yes.
सर वन सेकंड।
Question beta. See the questions. One question is
Yes,
given about Dorji. One question about Dorji. You can read your question. Dorji is having he is serving in the restaurant. And he is having 3 types of drink: acidic drink, basic drink, and neutral drink. But the drinks are not labeled. He has served to different customers these drinks. How will he decide? Anyone can tell me?
So what is the question?
क्वेश्चन नंबर आप देखो बुक में, आई एम टेलिंग यू बेटा। See your
7
yeah. Question number 7. Question number 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants a acidic drink, another wants basic drink, and third one wants neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Right?
Sir,
Anyone can tell
sir,
me?
by testing use litmus.
Dorji can
By
taste the
indicator,
different drinks
by
by
indicator.
indicator. Very simple.
Sir, he can
If
decide it
indicator
by
is
the
not
use
mentioned
of
in the question,
indicator.
then you are free. If indicator is mentioned, you will have to use that indicator only. So suppose he will take litmus paper. He will take the different drinks in a small cup, and he will take blue litmus paper into it. If it turns red, it is
Acidic.
Subra, acidic drink. He will label acidic and he will give it to a customer who wants acidic drink. He will take from another bottle in a cup, a small amount in a cup. He will take red litmus paper into it. If it changes to blue, it is
Basic.
basic drink. Basic drink. He will
Basic.
just give to basic customer. And
And
which
the
one?
remaining is
In which
neutral.
one? Neither blue turns red nor red turns blue. That is a
Sir, neutral.
drink.
Natural.
Neutral drink.
Neutral.
So,
Neutral.
yes. So this way, है ना बेटा? Do all the questions. If you find any
बेसिक बिटर
difficulty,
एंड टेस्ट।
ask me in my next period, and we'll
Neutral.
start new chapter. Okay. So let us conclude by chanting Shanti Path.
सर
All of you
चिराग
put your
अभी
hands.
भी लिख रहा है सर, हर कुछ। सर चिराग अभी भी लिख रहा है।
Okay, beta. Do
Yes,
Shanti Path,
sir.
then I'll check. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram and thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.